Hello, I am Dr. John from Air Dental Academy, and I welcome you all to our one more review series of all doctors who are working here. So today I am here in the Mohali branch. As you can see, this is the clinic of the head branch in the Mohali, and I bring you our doctors review who are working here from last 3-4 months. I would like to introduce first what is your name.
Sir, hi, my name is Dr. Shivangi. I am from.
Which dental college you are?
Sir, I studied from Genesis Dental College, Firozpur,
Okay.
under Baba Farid University.
Okay. You joined here in which month?
Sir, I joined here in
August,
it's been,
August,
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 September.
September. So what things, what procedure you have learned here? Which department you have learned?
Sir, I learned about the RCTs, I learned
Okay.
about the practical clinical things, I learned about curettage, I learned about local anesthesia, OS things.
So I would like to tell our audience one thing, that everything when you start in the academy, you get all the equipments, all the instruments which are used in the procedure directly from the here. You just have to come with your lab coat and the rotor, and you can start working here. Plus the diagnosis is done beforehand. You get the theory lecture, then you go on to the treatment for the patients. Okay, so this is done as a full clinical course. Example, as the BDS you do in the college, same as you do here. Full in every department, each and everything is explained first on the theory basis, then you do on the clinical patient. Okay, so if I ask you how much difference you feel starting from this course pre and from the post, how would you rate among yourself out of 10?
So I lacked in clinical knowledge.
Okay.
I gained so much clinical knowledge from here. College also I have not done more than 1 or 2 RCTs, that also in typos and all.
Exactly.
I learned so much from here now.
So now at least you can think of starting your own clinic as your
Yes,
own.
sir.
So if you see, this the build-up of the confidence is the main thing when the doctors are going from here. She is very much confident that she can start her own clinic independently with the help of everything, and independently she can do the patients on her own. Now I move on to our second doctor. What is her name?
I'm Dr. Anshul.
Okay, which dental college you are?
And I have passed from Swami Devyal Dental College.
Okay. You are from same batch? You joined in August, September or before that?
So before.
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 What procedure you have learned here?
Sir, I have learned various procedures like
Okay.
root canals and crown lengthenings,
Okay.
curettage, gingivectomy,
Okay.
extractions, disimpactions.
Okay.
So overall, it's a good experience. I just got it all confident before about my clinical skills.
Okay.
After joining here, while doing patients, slowly and steadily I have built my confidence, and now I can say that I am confident enough,
Very nice.
and a head has actually really helped me to gain that confidence,
Exactly.
which I was lacking in my clinical practice.
You can right now open your own clinic if you want to open right now. On your dependence on your own.
Sir, yes, I can.
Exactly. So see if both the doctors are really confident so that they can open the clinic, as well as they have done here theory also and the clinical also. I would like to tell our audience that first the doctor comes here, they have a theory lecture in the morning, at least for 1.5 hour, 1 hour, and then the patient comes for the clinical course. They do diagnosis on the chair diagnosis, and they directly go to the patients. So these are our two doctors today who have given the review for your clinical series. Kindly visit our Air Dental Academy in Delhi also and the Mohali branch, and see how the patients are going, how the diagnosis is going, and you can pay a visit to the academy. Thank you very much.